California Gold Nutrition, CollagenUP for healthy hair, skin, nails, joints and bones. Description: California Gold Nutrition CollagenUP. Marine-sourced collagen peptides plus hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C. Featuring unflavored, non-bovine, hydrolyzed fish collagen. With non-animal source hyaluronic acid and AMP. Vitamin C. Upgraded support for healthy hair, skin, nails, joints and bones. Enzymatically hydrolyzed collagen broken down into bioavailable peptides. Formulated to contain no gluten, no GMOs, no soy. Produced in a third-party audited cGMP registered, certified facility. Collagen, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C all share a relationship to the health and well-being of the musculoskeletal system. Collagen is the primary structural protein found throughout the body and provides crucial infrastructure, both inside and out. Hyaluronic acid is a component of connective tissue and can provide the fluid matrix for joint lubrication, skin hydration and repair. Vitamin C plays a role in the production of collagen and assisting in antioxidant protection. Regular consumption of these nutrients can provide the body with the fundamental building blocks that can help to support healthy joints, bones, skin, hair and nails. California Gold Nutrition CollagenUP features non-bovine, marine-sourced collagen peptides with hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. The specially processed fish collagen is enzymatically hydrolyzed, broken down into low molecular weight component amino acid peptides in order to help ensure optimal absorption and bioavailability. Suggested use: mix 1 scoop daily in approximately 2 ounces of room temperature water or juice. Add an additional 6 to 8 ounces of room temperature water or juice and mix well. For best results, mix in a blender bottle, and drink on an empty stomach at least 1 hour before or 2 hours after meals, or best as recommended by a healthcare professional. Avoid taking with other foods containing protein as they may interfere with collagen absorption. 5.15 grams per scoop is an average. Individual scooping technique may yield slightly less than or slightly more than 5.15 grams. Main ingredients: hydrolyzed fish collagen peptides, vitamin C, as calcium ascorbate, hyaluronic acid, as sodium hyaluronate, non-animal source. Contains fish, 1 or more of the following: cod, haddock, hake and tilapia. This product is not manufactured with milk, eggs, crustacean shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, soy or gluten. Produced in a third-party, audited and registered cGMP-compliant facility that may process other products that contain these allergens or ingredients. Warnings: aroma, color, consistency and taste may vary. Color shift is normal and cannot be avoided. Double safety sealed, without a shrink wrap film and in a container freshness seal. Best stored at controlled room temperature 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Improper storage conditions, such as extended exposure to direct sunlight, high heat and AMP. Humidity can cause product degradation over time. Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.